Welcome to ROKPA networking event in New York. This event was organized by few Tibetan youth and is a great initiative to connect all the college-going students. The sole purpose of this event is to connect all the youth in America and explore how one can help each other. In terms of guidance, applying for colleges and ultimate goal, what you wanted to become? That's the biggest question. The participation from youth was amazing. I'd like to share this with you and hope you will like it.
Hopes and dreams of the Tibetan community will one day fall upon us, and we see this event as a bridge of sorts where they can share. And certainly not to say that their careers are in any sense over, but to inspire us to take up the mantle when it is our turn. So to introduce everybody, I'm sure you've seen their bios already, but we have Denderla, formerly from SFT, and now currently an academic at Columbia University here in New York. Denderla, part of the leadership over at ICT, International Campaign for Tibet. Losang Gyatso, who has served many roles over the years and is esteemed artist in our community. And then joining us virtually, we have Chimilamo from Canada, inspiring activist. Also, Tsering Yangsom Lama, author of an incredible book, which I'm sure many of you have already read.
Anyway, no one's really interested in somebody else's life in detail, I realize that. But I thought I'd try and remember how things happened for me throughout the last 40 years. Because I think salient points, because your lives will change from decade to decade to decade. And I think it's very, some pointers that I can, for instance, remember that were useful to me, which possibly I could share with you. And I think one of the traits that we Tibetans have, a sense of humor, it's really been one of the most important things in being able to proceed in life in the United States, confront different issues, confront different problems, moving from job to job.
Gatherings of young Tibetans with a very specific goal of the organization to help young Tibetans succeed in college, get into better colleges, get more support when you're in college, get better help in terms of your career planning.
In Dharamsala, there were changes going on. His Holiness was expanding and democratizing the parliament in exile in Dharamsala, Central Tibetan administration.
And have endured, and a shared sense of how this translates to why Tibetan excellence is so important for our cause. And we